Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen, highlighter, and eraser tools in your PowerPoint presentations. Whether you're preparing for an important business presentation or adding a personal touch to your slides, these tools can make your points clearer and more engaging. Let's dive in. First, open your PowerPoint and go to the Draw tab located in the ribbon at the top of your window. This is where you'll find all the essential drawing tools, including the pen, highlighter, and eraser. Once you're in the Draw tab, select the tool you want to use. You can choose between the pen, the highlighter, or the eraser, depending on what you need. The pen tool allows you to draw freehand lines directly on your slides. It's perfect for illustrating key points or adding a personalized touch as you present. Simply click on the pen tool and start drawing on your slide. If you want to emphasize specific text or elements, use the highlighter tool. It creates a translucent mark over your content, letting your audience see what's behind while still drawing attention to what matters most. It's a great way to stress key points during your presentation. If you ever need to remove any ink or drawings, that's where the eraser tool comes in. Just click on the eraser and drag over any marks you'd like to delete. It's handy for fixing mistakes or cleaning up your slide after you're done annotating. Now, let's talk about how to actually use these tools. If you're using a mouse, simply click and drag your pointer across the slide to draw or highlight. This method works easily without any extra device. But if you're using a digital pen, you'll have even more control and precision. Just use your pen as you would on a tablet or touchscreen. It feels natural and smooth when making notes or highlights. When it's time to erase, click the eraser tool and drag it over the marks you want to remove. This keeps your slide neat and exactly how you want it to look. Finally, remember that the pen and highlighter tools offer customization options. You can choose different colors or line thicknesses to match your presentation style and make your visuals stand out even more. And that's it. You now know how to effectively use the pen, highlighter, and eraser tools in PowerPoint. These simple features can bring creativity, clarity, and professionalism to your presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more PowerPoint tips and tricks in our next tutorials.